no matter where you go downtown Brooklyn, it always takes an hour, you know, an arm and a leg just to get through 3rd Avenue, okay? There's construction, all this nonsense. Oops. Always. Like, I'm supposed to be downtown. I am downtown, but further downtown than this. And we are met with all types of halts that's been at the same spot since the summer. Okay. Just my rant. Just my rant for the morning, but good morning though. So I was basically forced to go to Stop and Shop to get this boy Robux. Okay? Stop running around like that. Come on, come on. Look, don't you see where you're going?
No. I don't.
You don't see. You're dizzy.
Yes. Yes, I am.
Purposely just moving about. Anyway, I need to charge this battery. It's about to die. But basically, you'll see. Go ahead, open it. Go ahead. Ooh. We have to run in and... Good. Go, go, go. Go ahead. Oh, so we had to run in the Stop and Shop to get Robux because Aiden was fiending for some Robux. He got a $50 gift card and used it all on Robux. Has cash and says, oh, I want to get another $50 Robux. Why? We don't know. So this was his lesson of learning to use cash and, you know, pay for things himself. It was good. We're going in, we're literally going in and out. We are going to Stop and Shop. No. So he wants the cards.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, y'all didn't even do a proper introduction. We are headed to. Okay. Sure, the card is right here. We are headed to Stop and Shop because Aiden wants a. I heard you. I heard you. Aiden wants to get.
I want that one.
Focus. Your brother's being extra. So the lighting's actually pretty good. We're headed to Stop. Can we go in through here? I guess so. We're in Stop and Shop. We're really in here just to get Robux. Nothing else. This is the real reason why we are here. We do need some cut up veggies, but I'm not going to do that. Actually, Aiden, where's the where do we find these things? All right, so again, we're walking the halls. Not because I want to. Everything is of course. We came back from the practice, the football practice, and so don't interrupt me, please. Is it there? I hope it is. Okay, how much? We're here. Okay, good. We're here to get Robux. Let's see. This is the gift card wall. Can I see?
Huh?
Can I see the ones that you're looking at?
Yeah.
So you're gonna get 2? Okay. What else is down there?
Well, there's a 100 one.
So why do you get 225 instead of getting a $50 one?
You'll see why.
What's the difference?
That actually doesn't give 4,500 Robux.
It doesn't? So what does it give you?
It just give you 4,000. It's a scam.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna get 2 of these because these cost 2,000. So now this is not even like actually 2,200. So 2,100 something. Both of these combined 4,000.
I'm getting schooled on how to get Robux. Okay, very good. So, no, you're gonna make the purchase. Okay.
It's always me.
It is you. This is the moment where you learn.
This is the moment where I learn.
Yes. You learn how to make. That's how it goes. You learn how to make. Okay. I mean, it's not about the smarts. It teaches you how to use your money if you need to get cash back. You don't even drink coffee. You don't drink coffee. You do not drink coffee. You don't drink coffee.
I want to try a latte.
You have extra money for that? Okay, so put it. Then you can't get it. Stand in line. This is the prices. Yeah.
Mom, couldn't you just like at least spare $1?
No, I will not. Oh, my battery needs to. Thank you. Did you count up?
Yes. Yes, I counted.
Okay.
Oh, the cash has to go in there.
Oh, it does? Okay.
In this one, it's like a self-checkout.
Oh, okay. I think you have to do it one by one.
Yeah, one at a time.
One at a time. Good. We're just teaching him how to, you know, do the process.
And he does different things.
Yes.
Because most kids will be like, what do you mean?
Right. You know, at first, you know what he really wants? This guy's trying to get me for, stop doing that. Trying to get me for some, listen, you, time to come up. What is this, Mario? Yeah. Ooh. Hey girl, so I really didn't get a chance to like just say or give an update after we got back from the store. I had to go into work today, so that was that. I worked, came back, took, you know, went to practice, stopped at the store, and so we're back home, and we're getting ready for the next day. All right. The other day when I mentioned about my car, like having an indicator, and I was like ranting and raving, right? But look at God and look at what he does to turn things around. So I was, you know, like going crazy, like, oh, I can't believe that this is gonna, you know, this car is doing that, is shaking X, Y, and Z. So that later on that night, I said, you know what, Lord, I'm not going to worry. I'm going to worship. And I turn it over to you. So the next day I said, okay, you know what? Let me go start the car, you know, because it's been chilly in the morning. So I said, let me start the car, warm it up, and then go get gas because I needed to get gas too. Girl, I start the car. Why the indicator don't light? Come on. I'm looking, checking to see if the light's gonna come on. Doesn't come on. I go get gas, turn off the car, turn back on the car. The indicator light don't work. And not only that, it's not shaking, right? Because you know that's what I was saying before, like, ooh, it's doing that. It doesn't shake. So I said, all right, Lord, you're doing something. So this was just a testament, like, you know, when you turn things over to God, the Lord can settle it and sort it out without you even going crazy. You know, sometimes we get in ourselves and we're like, oh, trying to think humanly possible. How can we fix this thing? But the moment you turn it over to God and release it and forget it, that's it. It's no longer your worry. It is up to him to do it. And that's exactly what he did. He did it and he sorted it. So I figured I wanted to share that testimony because why not? It's a great testimony to share. So anywho, I figured I'd just end it out here. This is, you know, very short, sweet, to the point. Love you guys. See ya. Bye.